It's time for tab number 6. Let's submit our annual calendar so our RAMP reviewers know what we planned and did for our students. Again, you will want to check out the most recent rubric before you begin any of the required tabs. You can do that by clicking on the View Rubric button on the upper right-hand corner in each tab of your application. If that does not work, then you can download the rubric from the RAMP homepage. The required upload for tab 6 is your annual calendar. Remember that only one annual calendar upload is required for your school counseling department for this application. Your report in the RAMP Ready system should match ASCIS templates, so you'll be able to save your annual calendar as a PDF and upload to the appropriate place in your application on tab 6 of your Ask a RAMP application. Remember to see our helpful tips for instructions or ask for support. As on every tab, you'll be given the opportunity to answer a reflection question. Remember, ASCA often requests very specific examples, so make sure you and your team can provide examples of how the annual calendar is published and communicated to stakeholders. Finally, you'll be given the option to upload supporting documentation. On tab 6, as an example, you may want to include a screenshot of your school counseling website where your annual calendar is shared, or a photo of your posted annual calendar. As always, I'm here if you need any help at all. Call, text, or email. We can do this together.